This video is about the PMT function and the FV function. PMT stands for payment, and it's a way of calculating the monthly payment based on interest rate, number of payments, and loan amount. The first argument is the interest rate. The second argument is the number of payments. And the third is the loan amount. In this example, we can see PMT 8% divided by 12. So that there would be 12 payments throughout the year. That would be one payment a month. So the first one is the interest rate, and we divide that by 12. The second one, we have 360 payments. And so that comes out to a 30-year loan, because if you take 360 and divide it by 12, it comes to 30. So you have 30 years there. And then the third one is the loan amount. And so that comes to this value right here, which is $733.76 every month for 30 years in order to pay off a $100,000 loan. Another way of doing that is, instead of putting the actual information into the formula, just have cell addresses for the different arguments. So in this case, let's put the value right here. We have J6 divided by 12. We have that at 7%, not like the 8% over here. Number of payments, 360, and the amount is 100,000. So we can see that the total right here that the person would be paying would be 239,000 and more for a $100,000 loan. Let's suppose that we got this at 8%. Let's put that to 8 right there. And that makes it $733.76 monthly payment. They're actually paying $264,000. So it increased quite a bit just by that interest rate change. So you can make that change. You can change the number of payments, interest rate, or you can change the amount. Say, well, that's too much, too little. And you can see how much your monthly payment would be. This function is to calculate the future value of an investment. So suppose you put in so much into an investment every month, you can calculate what it will result in when you conclude that. So for example, we have the future value. The first argument is the interest rate. The second argument is the number of payments. And the third is the amount of each payment or deposit. In this example, we have 5% divided by 12 because we want to make 12 deposits a year, so it'll be once a month. The next one is 240, which is the number of payments, and 100 is the amount of each deposit or the amount of each payment. So this is the formula right here. And we've got a single quote in front of it, so it's a text. We're going to get rid of that text. And based on that information, which is 5%, 240 payments at $100 a piece, that value comes to $41,103. So it's good if you're trying to figure out a 401k account. You can also use cell addresses, such as none right here. So we have J120. So we'll click on this, the interest rate, the number of payments, and the amount of each payment. And of course I can change this, change any one of these, and will give me a different answer. Here is another alternative using Goal Seeker. Now we know with a PMT we can figure out the interest rate right here, number of payments right here, and the loan amount right there. We plug those in based on their cell address. But suppose we wanted to find out how much a loan we could get if we put in something that we could afford every month. So let's just say we wanted to have this be $900, and to see how much of a loan we could get with that, we could use Goal Seeker and just kind of reverse it. So how we do that is we go to the Data tab, and over here where it says What If, click it down and choose Goal Seeker. So we're going to select this, which is B4. That is the cell with a formula in it. And we want to change that from $733.76 to say $900. We can afford $900 a month. And we're actually going to have to make that a negative $900 because that's how much we want to pay every month. So it's going to be minus $900 by changing cell B1. So we'll click OK. And for $900 a month, we can get a loan for $122,655. So it's just a kind of a backwards way of doing it, but you can use Goal Seeker for that. The main thing is to be sure to put in a negative number. And in accounting, you can see when it's in parentheses, that is a negative number. But when you use Goal Seeker, you will have to put in a negative number. So let's try it one more time. Let's say we can pay $1,000 a month. We'll click on this. This is where our formula is, the PMT formula. It's in parentheses, which means it's a negative number. We'll go to What If, select Goal Seek. And this is the cell with the formula in it. So that is the set cell. We want to change that value to 1,000. Negative 1,000 because we want to take it out every month, minus 1,000 by changing cell B1. And that means I can get a loan for $136,283 by paying $1,000 a month. That is using Goal Seeker and the PMT formula. Thank you.